What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us, and today I am going to review Babu Moshai Bandook Baz. Nawazuddin Siddiqui played the similar type of role as he played in Gangs of Wasseypur. The genre and the movie was similar to that kind of plot, but it didn't get a recognition, maybe because he switched his character from a bad guy to a little emotional and romantic. So that could be the turning point that this movie didn't get much appreciation from the audience, because the audience always expected him to be in that format. Maybe that could be the reason. So let's start a review what the story is all about. So Babu Bihari was born in a poverty and raised as a mercenary by Divya, and she's a politician having a stronghold in that area. So he's being paid to finish all those pawns and species who are standing right in front of her political career. Divya is playing the role of Sumitra, the politician, and she is in a real authentic attire. You really like her. And her counterpart is Anil, playing the role of Dubey. So he's also politician, and he hires Banke. So Banke is doing the same job what Babu is doing, but unfortunately both are being hired by the middle person. So when there are politicians, there is a police also. The police is playing the bridge between all these things that are happening. So the contract goes to two people at the same time. This is the time when they cross their lines and met each other. So Banke Bihari met Babu Bihari for the very first time, and he is fascinated with his history of whatever he has done. So now they are playing a bet that whosoever will finish these three people and will be the winner, and the another person will leave the town. But unfortunately or fortunately, there was a fourth contract that was given to one person among them. So Babu Bihari had a girlfriend, Pulwa, because she plays the key role. That's why I watched this movie, because of her. And especially then there is another movie of hers, but it didn't get much recognition, and I will also review that what the story is all about later. That's why I watched this movie. So what happens, the fourth contract was very turning point, and thus Babu Bihari lost his life. And somehow after many years he will come back, and how he escaped, how he survived, and what is there for him to be in the town, this is the turning point, and you have to watch it by yourself. I don't need to tell further, and you will enjoy it. But overall it is good to watch it just one time. And the next movie that I really wanted to review is that, okay, the problem is this, that if there are big names, definitely critics will always say that this is very best. Like recently it happened with Radhe also. His own father is saying that the movie is not up to the mark, whereas other people are saying, I don't need to say anything. KKR that reviews everything. He knows everything what is happening. But overall, you can understand there are some movies that doesn't makes headline. There are some that just swept under the mat. But I hope you will really watch it. Thank you so much for bearing me, and have a great week. Take care of yourself, and if you have any other movie, kindly recommend. Thank you so much. Bye bye.